when it comes to creating your CV, it's easy to get carried away and specify every single detail. But honestly speaking, किसी को भी इतने डिटेल में नहीं जानना what you've done in your previous job. Nobody actually wants to know an entire essay about what you've done in your previous role. So, what including irrelevant information actually does is it causes your CV to get more cluttered and it moves attention to the most important points that you want to highlight. By ignoring all the irrelevant information, what you're able to do is create a clean, concise, and a CV that highlights all the key points for your qualification and experience. So the first step of creating an effective CV is to declutter. This means remove any information that is not pertaining to the current job role you're applying for. Hiring manager is looking for all the keywords and you can miss out on that if you aren't decluttering. So don't talk about your school experience because that is not what your hiring manager wants to know. What they want to know is more related to your internships that can relate to the current role you're applying for. So how do you determine what information is relevant versus irrelevant? This is done through tailoring your CV towards the job description. If you're applying for a job in marketing, your role as a tutor will not be relevant, right? However, your role in social media management would be quite relevant to add. Then go through your CV and highlight all the words or experiences that you think are important for the current job. Finally, keep your CV simple and easy to read. Use bullet points and make sure that your language is concise and highlights your experiences and qualifications. Hiring managers go through hundreds of applications, so this will make it easy for them to know what they need to be looking for. So remember, your CV is your chance to make a great first impression. So by ignoring all the irrelevant information, you can highlight all the things that your potential employer should be looking at, making it easy for you to get that job. Well, good luck. See you next time.